Hello, today's job is stripping these carbs off of this bike. It's a ZR750 engine and the rest of it was kind of me and my dad built and customised. One of a friend of ours did the paint job and it has had a 5-page spread in Backstreet Heroes. But the first job is to whip these carburetors off. So let's see, we've got to get the engine breather off that's mounted. At some point I'm going to have to get in the way. That's off. Right, take the fuel lines off.
Can I hold it?
What's that? You want to hold it? I've got my lovely assistant here today, my lovely daughter. Say hello.
Hello.
She's operating the camera today. She's telling me if I'm not in shot. Which I think I'm in shot a lot. You probably can't really see what I'm doing. But once we get the carbs off, we'll move over to the bench. That's that bit. Oh, we can take them off of there and get that right out of the way. Fuel's off, obviously. What are you laughing at?
But what if it was in?
What if it was in?
Yeah.
Then I'd get petrol all over me. I don't want petrol all over me.
It'll spray on your face.
I don't want it to spray on my face.
You do.
Why?
Then you can be a petrol person.
Petrol head. Yeah. Right, that's nearly off. Right, that's that off. There. So, then we use this screwdriver. Undo the clamps on the inlet rubbers. And that one. Now I need to go on the other side and try and not have a builder's bum. Are you on builder's bum watch, lady?
You already have one.
Is it already hanging out? Oh,
It's actually just filming your butt.
just filming my butt.
No, it's not. You can see your butt and your paint on the trousers.
Well, that's how I just decorated your bedroom, isn't it?
Because it's rainbow.
It is a rainbow bedroom. Yeah. Right. Oh no, the screwdriver's too long. The bike next to it is in the way, but that's okay.
Maybe you could cut it.
No, it's a good long screwdriver. Right, now we've got that unclipped, we should just give them a little wiggle. Once they're off, we'll worry about the throttle cable, which is here. How did that one do? That was it. Unhook that from there, push that down, give that a wiggle, and they're off. How easy was that? So, we'll move over to the bench, get these stripped down, and off we go. Right, we're over at the bench now. Here's the carbs. So the intent is to get them stripped down and then I will put them in my ultrasonic carb cleaner. Yay. So first, yay for the carb cleaner. Right, got to get the bell mouths off. It's been tuned to run with these, so it goes incredibly quickly and needs a hell of a lot of air to keep it running.
It looks like it's a pot.
It does a bit, doesn't it? I think what we're going to try and do is keep all these bits together. So if you could pass me the red permanent pen behind you, darling. So we'll go from left to right and we'll have, so that's number 1. Oh,
Two.
Yeah,
You don't know what a 1 is.
3, 4, so that's number 1.
5, 6, 7, 8.
There's not 8.
There is. There's 50,000.
50,000.
That would be a lot of work.
That would, wouldn't it? Right, that one there. We'll have to get all these polished up as well. Film that. Okay, so I think what we've got to do.
They do look shiny.
They do, but we can make them really shiny.
You like shiny.
We do like shiny things. So I think we'll get the link rail off. This bit. And then we'll have to get got the choke rail as well.
Does it choke people?
Not quite. It gives it a bit more fuel, so it helps it to start. That's what it's for. But, oh, we've got this rail at the bottom as well. So we've got quite a few rails. Hey, I don't want that.
You do.
You're a pain.
So are you.
Cool. These are tight. There we go. There's one.
Now it smells weird.
Yeah. Carbs do smell. Try not to round anything off. And also, filming this, it's quite good, so I know how they go back together again. That always helps, doesn't it, big girl?
You're going to have to watch your own video to put it back together.
Yeah.
How do you feel Mars watching then?
Oh, we got a naughty one. How do I film while watching?
Yeah.
I'll have to watch it back. Now what we do is just slightly give it a tap. Put that in. Tap it in. Oh, she's going to be a problem one.
It's like you're banging it in.
I know. I'm just trying to loosen the thread. There we go. And get a bit of a better...
What are you going to use for here on the piece of paper?
Oh, I just like having the piece of paper there in case I drop things, because everything tends to be black. I always find it's easier to see on a white piece of paper. That's why I put it there. You aggravating my pen?
Yeah.
Ugh. Right, that's that. Try and keep...
Can a pen get angry? Doesn't it have a brain?
I don't know. How do you think a pen can get angry?
I don't know.
You don't know.
And I don't know how my toys move.
Well, they do move around, don't they, your toys, when you're not looking?
Yeah.
Oh,
Do they have
how's that
squishy
link?
brains?
They must do. Well, if we put that one up there, that's one rail off. So we'll look. Oh, see?
Dirty.
Oh, we still have some fuel in them. Look at that.
You're going to spray it.
Yeah, we'll drain them all out. We'll just turn them upside down for now, just to get this green.
Green?
Green? Ugh.
Why is it green?
I do not know.
What colour is it supposed to be?
Not green.
Is it bad that it's green?
I think we'll just drain these out. We've got little drain holes.
Yay, drain holes.
I don't have a clue why it is green.
Maybe it's old
Yeah,
and mouldy.
it could be. Green fuel. That is strange. Right, we'll just drain that one out.
Why did you touch the fuel?
Alright, I've got leathery old hands. Right, this one as well. May as well drain them all out as we're here.
It doesn't smell nice.
No, it smells a bit petrol-y. We'll put that little tub outside.
Because it is petrol.
Oh yeah, that's true. Jiggle, jiggle. That's that one drained. I'm sure we'll get a bit more out once we're... You writing on my bit of paper? Whee. Hello. This is a very technical bit of paper on the bench here.
No.
Oh, we've got another fun one.
Why is it fun?
It's trying to round off, but we won't let it. Right. Get these two draining. Green fuel. Oh.
Maybe because it's not happy.
No, I wonder what wonders live within these float bowls. Ah, it
Green dye.
looks like these have been Hylamard on.
What does that mean?
Like, Hylamar is a gasket sealer. It's just like a sticky jollop. I suspect
It's shiny.
that it started eating it away.
It's shiny.
It is shiny. So hopefully now, actually we might put a bit of rag down. So we'll get this one off as well. better screwdriver required. Just need a big screwdriver. Oh, that's a good one. There's one. Crack that one as well. Crack this one. Come on. Phew.
The spotlights have crystals on them.
Yeah, I think that's where they've gone damp. That one doesn't want to come on. Neither does that one.
Well, it looks like it's crystals.
I think we're just going to quickly stick this in the vise so I can hold it. Right. Do you want to move that camera and point it at the vise for me? Right, we got that one. That one. Laugh. There's that one loosened off. Just move these down. There's that one. That one. That one. That one. Lovely. Right, let's go back to the bench. So we'll put these screws on there. 1, 2.
Daddy, there's not 1 in that one, there's 4. And there's supposed to be 2 in that one, and 3 in that one, and 4 in that one.
No! That's not how my technical method works. Oh, they are stinky, aren't they? Oh, you've got that permanent marker open again. Graffitiing on my technical paper.
It's not technical, it's just paper.
It's lining paper. Left over from your bedroom. But I like it.
Why?
Because it means I can see everything. I shouldn't lose much. Right, let's get this rail off. So that should just lift up now. Lovely. Then we'll stick that over there. What next? Ah, the choke. Now, I'm not quite sure how these come apart. No, I think they just pull apart maybe. We'll find out.
What if you break it if it pulls apart? What will you do?
I won't. Oh, look. Never noticed that. We're missing a screw. Need a technical pot for extra bits. The spring. I'll get the spring off. We'll put these little plasticky covers in there as well. Oh, we need a...
It says Lello, everyone, now.
Lello.
Lello, everyone.
Lello. Oh, no.
Really long.
Yeah.
Jack and the Beanstalk, but Jack and the Screwdriver.
Right, that's that off.
Daddy and the Screwdriver.
Daddy and the Screwdriver. That was number 4's. That one's missing one. Wait. Is that the demonstrating hand? Right. There's that off. So that should just lift off nicely. Like that. I think. Yeah. That hooks off of the pins. So we've got the fuel. Ah, yes, they just pull. Pull, pull, pull. So, what way round were we? What is that?
Daddy's confused.
Back on your stool.
No.
Right, so that goes between there and there. Little O-ring on there. That one goes between those two. Where was that big spring? There. You treaded on the wire, sweetie.
Yeah. What's the wire for?
Oh no. There it is.
The radiator burns it.
Can't lose the spring. That was there. So they're all in bits now. So we're going to put that carb there, and we'll do them in order. That carb there.
Daddy,
Yeah.
why would the filler stuff that the petrol's been eating away green?
Well, the stuff, it was blue, so I imagine it got a little bit. It's been sucking the colour out of it.